Well, tonight, a South Carolina law meant to protect the public is having serious consequences for small businesses.
Bar and restaurant owners say the state's liquor liability law is driving insurance costs so high, some can no longer afford to stay open. WCNC Charlotte's Anna King spoke to one Lancaster County business owner who's asking, where's the money?
Yeah, this is LA Taproom here in Lancaster, where right now the bar owner says the biggest threat to his bar isn't slow business, it's insurance. LA Taproom has been a fixture in downtown Lancaster for 5 years. Owner Scott Grant describes it as a simple local spot, a place built for community.
This is just a local downtown corner bar where our locals come in, our regulars come in.
On the weekends, the bar hosts live music, comedy shows, and community events. But now,
and you just see all these places dropping. You know, it's just can't do it, can't do it.
A new reality is creeping in. A South Carolina law put in place in 2017 is causing liquor liability insurance to skyrocket and holding bars financially responsible if a customer they serve causes a drunk driving crash, leaving many of the small town bars without options.
It started becoming harder than you would think. You know, the insurance companies were telling you, when you call for quotes, some of them would tell you already, look, you're in South Carolina, we can't help you.
Grant says when he first opened, he paid just a few $1,000s a year for coverage. Now he's been quoted tens of thousands if he can find a policy at all. To try to bring down costs, the South Carolina legislature passed a law that went into effect on the 1st. However, Grant says a change won't erase years of rising costs.
Why? Why should we have to work that hard just to pay, an insurance premium for a year? It's what other industry looks at that and has to deal with that?
Grant says he's not ready to give up yet, even as the pressure builds. To try to survive even longer, Grant started cutting hours to just noon to 5, a move aimed at keeping insurance costs down.
Can't hang on forever, but I'm gonna hang on as long as I can.
In Lancaster, Anna King, WCNC Charlotte.